Well, I'm in the mood for some homemade jam. That pretty color. Get some of this out. Spread it around on our toast here. Doesn't that look good? You know, sometimes, especially in the winter, having some jam on bread just is so like you're getting a taste of the summer. I mean, So when the snow is piled high, you take a bite and you remember the fresh fruits of summer, right? So comforting. Well, I started a collab. It is called the August Jamboree. So in August, every Monday through Friday, Tuli Lou creates Deep South Homestead, Diane the Canning Nana, Gemini Homestead, Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, Homestead Dad, Jeni Gough, Suttons Daze, Vickie's Country Home, and me, Prepper Potpourri. Have joined this collaboration, and we're going to be featuring different jam, and could be chutneys and it could be butter, you know, all those different names for fruit in a jar, right? Recipes. And for this collaboration, we've got some great sounding recipes. This is pineapple rhubarb jam, and it is so good. It's going to be one of the videos I'm making. But we're also getting bacon bourbon jam, tipsy fairy plum jam. I mean, that sounds really interesting. Salted caramel apple coffee jam. Jenny's making that. I mean, oh wow. I want to see that video and I want to make that jam. And we're even having corn cob jelly. We are having watermelon preserves. I mean, it's a different recipe every Monday through Friday in August, in the August Jamboree. So I hope you will join us. I have put down below all the channels that are participating and their links so you can subscribe so you don't miss a single video. And I also have a calendar of dates for when and who will be producing a video that day. So I really, really hope you join us for August Jamboree. As always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. So good. Got jam on my lip.